back to our channel Tech Smart Base. Now I am reviewing the Asus ZenBook 14. So this video will be very interesting and please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech videos, so please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any more time, go for it. The Asus ZenBook 14 is a Windows 10 home laptop with the 14-inch display that has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It is powered by the Core i5 processor and it comes with the 8GB of RAM. The Asus ZenBook 14 packed 256GB of SSD storage capacity. Graphics and powered by the integrated Intel HD Graphics 620. Connectivity options include Bluetooth and it comes with the 3 USB ports. The Asus ZenBook 14 of a full specification. General specification: brand name Asus, model ZenBook 14, model number UX434, model name 14, series ZenBook. The resolution of this ZenBook 199 by 319 by 169. The weight of this ZenBook 1.26 kg. Color royal blue. Operating system Windows 10 Home. Windows 10 Pro. Asus recommended with the 10 Pro for business. Windows 10 Home. Battery capacity. The battery capacity of ZenBook 14 up to 13-hour battery life. 15 3 cells aluminum polymer battery. 65 power adapter. Display. The display of ZenBook 14 14-inch LED backlight FHD 1920 by 1080 resolution. Four-side frameless nano edge design with the 19% screen to body ratio. 2.9 mm thin side bezel and 3.3 mm bottom bezels. White 100% sRGB color garment. IPS level with the View technology. Resolution. The resolution of ZenBook 14 1920 by 1080 pixels. Processor. The processor of ZenBook 14 Intel Core i5 8th generation 8265U. Intel Core i7 8565U processor 1.8 GHz core with the turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz and 8 MB cache. Intel Core i5 8265U processor 1.6 GHz core with the turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz and 6 MB cache. Memory. The memory of ZenBook 14 8GB and 16GB 2133 MHz LPDDR3 on board. Graphics. The graphics of ZenBook 14 NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 2GB GDDR5 VRM. Integrated Intel HD Graphics 620. Storage. The storage capacity of ZenBook 14 SSD 256GB. Connectivity. The connectivity of ZenBook 14 Wi-Fi dual band 802.11 GB glass Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.0. Inputs. Camera. The camera of ZenBook 14 3D IR HD camera. Keyboard and touchpad. The keyboard and touchpad of ZenBook 14 keyboard full size backlight with the 1.4 mm key travel. Touchpad glass covered with the integrated number pad, intelligent palm rejection, precision touchpad PTP technology support to 4-finger smart gesture, keypad number pad option. Ports and slot. The ports and slot of ZenBook 14. There are 3 ports: USB ports, HDMI ports and multi-card slot ports. Handphone and mic combo jack is also available. If any question about iPad smartphone tablet, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.